Listen, some weird shit happened, and I had to call the police because I ain't playing around. Listen here, London Metropolitan Police. Y'all are the real ones. I called. They said it would take 15 minutes, maybe more. I did have to wait on hold to finally get in touch with the police, but that didn't really take that long. But they got me over to somebody. He took my information. While he was talking to me, they already dispatched people. They were here in like 6 minutes, 7 minutes. That's the fastest police response I've ever received in my life. And London is a massive city. So, Texas, I'm looking at you. What's going on?